right outside, right behind me now, barricades over here being pressed. Okay, now as you can see, protesters are pressing against the barricades. Once again, the police gathering towards them. But there seems to be a distinct change in mood over here now. So far, protests had been fairly peaceful, except for minor scuffles and skirmishes. People now rushing in. The Aam Aadmi protesters who were inside this ring have now started coming forward. Remember, there have been 2 rings of protests, one inside the Raisina roundabout, the others at these barricades and checkpoints, which we've been telling you about. At the moment, things seem to be getting a little more heated up. We can see some of those barricades now being raised, slogans shouted, tricolors being shown. I'm going to ask my camera person to just zoom in and show you those shots. People now in an attempt to cross over those barricades. You can see them in fact standing up on top of the barricades now, trying to get past the waiting policemen. Okay, we can in fact now report that some people have clambered past those barricades. If we can focus on those shots now, people clambering past the barricades and now entering the Raisina roundabout. People raising their arms, making victory signs as they try and enter from one side where the barricades have now been pushed down. Alok, you were standing right there where the protesters were pressing forward. There seems to be some attempt to quell them, some attempts to calm them down by other members of the Aam Aadmi Party. Is that what you're seeing?
Yes, certainly. In fact, what I'm seeing right now is that a lot of volunteers of the Aam Aadmi Party are actually going and asking people to maintain peace and to not disrupt the kind of atmosphere that has been here for the last some time now. In fact, but I must say that there have been scuffles today, all day. In fact, this is the latest round of scuffle that has happened between Aam Aadmi Party protesters, which are towards the other side of the barricade, and between cops who are towards this side. Now, what happened this time, I was in the middle of that protest. A lot of people from that side started trying to push through the barricades and to get entry this side. That's when the cops also tried to push them back. There was a minor lathi charge. But one thing that I must point out, and I'll say this again, is the fact that I saw personally a lot of Delhi police people assaulting photographers. And they even came to us and very rudely asked us to stop filming. They said that this is happening, this is abuse. So may I say to anyone in the Delhi police who is watching that this perhaps is not the correct way to go about it. Assaulting photographers and video journalists is not the right thing to do. At the same time, I will give it to them that the situation has been a little tense over the past 1 or 2 hours. They have been attempts by the Aam Aadmi Party workers who are on the other side of the barricades to actually gain entry. And that is perhaps what is causing the trouble. At the moment, I can see that things have calmed down a little. And like you said, Aam Aadmi Party supporters themselves, volunteers on this side, are trying to ensure that no further incident takes place. And they are asking, requesting all these volunteers not to cause any trouble and to hold back.